Okay. Time now sa ating basketball action. Muli po tayo ngayon sa PSBQ Basketball League. Presents now the last day ng ating regulation season. After this po, laklagang portion na po tayo. This is now for the placing between Alcorno and Ayesha. Whoever wins this game outright semis. Yan po ang pinag-iulit po sa kabila na po. At the second po na po is placing also. Whoever wins the game also will now play better in the quarterfinals. Good morning po sa ipo dyan. Ako sa aming G-Vlog si Ju. And time now for ating ikang game night tonight. Basketball action between Ayesha and Janice Gumay and Alcorno Italian Masters. Okay, before that, ito po yun. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League sa Liga ng mga Sikat. We'd like to thank following sponsors. Yan po yan, McDonald's and MC Cargo. And of course, thank you for Janice Basketball Team. Luxury Shanty, Janice Gumay to you. Winas Apparel, Bukop Apparel, HBK's JPEG CP, Cristo Duque, Sinag Tito Media, at of course, nandiyan si I1 Nation. First game for tonight. The winner of this game will go to the semis between Alcorno Italian Masters versus Ayesha and Friends. Congratulations po na po, Ayesha and Friends, AK Super Friends po. You're for clinching the first win sa kanyang Champions Series. Sa PH Green Hill. Hoopers. Okay, yan ang gusto po ng opening minutes na will start. And thank you for the podcast sa QPF ang full of referees to maintain the integrity of the game sa gabing ito. Okay. Rolling na. Okay, first game for tonight. We're just waiting for the opening whistle between Alcorno and ayan po natin po ang Ayesha and Friends. Ayesha first po clad in white and orange combination. Alcorno po, they're using now the usual blue and violet combination. Okay, let's start now. Salamat po sa simulan. Nagsimula. Maraming salamat po sa isa na po niya. Pasensya na po. Pasensya na po.
Icon.
Okay, before that also, okay, Tok Restaurant po tayo. Taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnamese and Burmese cuisine. Above street food classic bay to delight at Tok Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly po kami at meron po yung mga vegan options. Available po sa akin po yan. Open till po and for reservations, call this number 974-3079-888 and 9. Ito po ang binibigay po ng Tok Saigon. Okay, simulan po natin ang first quarter. On the way already. First quarter between Alcorno and nandiyan po ang Ayesha and Friends. Okay. Eric is watching. Rep Jeremy is watching. Nick Feb Benito is watching. Alvin is watching. Salamat po nagsimula na. Sabi sa Lacuna. Chinakata is watching. At many more. First quarter start right now. Okay, for the opening whistle now, for the referees of opening whistle, nandiyan po sa referee Hans and Company. Okay, first game, Pamintuan, Ibarra, Dongdong, Repolyo at si Medalya. Sa kabila naman, Daniel, Chaco, 24, Shakshai, number 42, papasok niya, Manga. Si number 9, Alcorno at iba pa. Okay, 7, 9, 3, 8, number 24, Felipe Akshay, of course si Dante Borders Digit Center. Okay, Alforno, now opening whistle about to start right now. That is your handshake po sa ating mga maglalaro sa ganito. Okay, Alforno and Ayesha starting right now in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Yung kasali rito, ano pa naman kayo? Ayesha ball, Ayesha ball, Ayesha ball. Ayesha ball. Ayesha ball. Medalya. Pamintuan. Cross-crossing. Go foul. Same ball. Jump bola ko niya. Quit ka na naman. Sabi niya. Sabi niya. Sabi ni Hans Canieto. Pops up. Bang! Kick ball. Sabot. Pinipin po ni Pamintuan. Pinipin ka. Digdigay binalat niya. And on number 7. Babawi ba? Wala. Nakuha ni Repolyo yung bola. Repolyo. Repolyo. Pinaba ang bola. Repolyo. 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 Slicing. Dicing. And Pandondom. Wala. Rebound. Very Repolyo again. To Pamintuan. Pamintuan. Ibarra. For 3. No good. And Medalya naman. Si Medalya. Medalya. Repolyo. Pamintuan again. Pamintuan. No good. Rebound. Number Dante. Dante. Number 3. That's Jane. Jane driving strong. Nope. Number 9. And touch pass to number 9. Jane pops up. Albal. Ayun. Number 9. Wala. Ibarra ka rebound. Nice rebound by Ibarra. Dongdong. Dongdong. This is now for the outright semis. Bert. Ang manalal po dito. Okay. Eto na. Dongdong. Walang pinasahan. Hindi ka sa medalya. Alforno ball, 3-0 pa rin pa score, 8 minutes 27 remaining. First quarter action, Akshay. Dante, Dante, pivot. Nice one by number 9, naipit ang konti, inipit, ayun, 2 points. Number 7, Chaco, 2 points. Chaco, the match of the night, Chaco. Ibarra. Dongdong, pops up. Bang! Dongdong, 2 points. Akshay. 24, Akshay. Akshay. Ganun ba ang bola? 7, Chaco. Akshay. Pops up for 3. No good. Rebound by Dante. No, kay Ibarra. Ibarra. To Repolyo. Repolyo sa Akshay. Akshay. Rebala. Repolyo. And 2-7 ang score po na 7-7 minutes. Repolyo finishing a foul out of Akshay. Repolyo shooting for 2. Shooting for the bonus free throw rather. Pops up Repolyo. This is the final day of our regulation season. After 1 week more, lahat ang portion na. 2-8 po. Score natin 2-8. Erwin is watching. Lopez is watching. Akshay to Dante. Dante ayos medalya. Pops up. Difficult shot. No good. Ibarra gets Akshay. Ibarra. Pops up. Bang! Bang shot. Ibarra. Number 3. Chaco. Number 7. Akshay. Oy! Traveling. Maraming violation called on Akshay. Balik muli po ang bola po sa team Ayesha. Ayesha to Repolyo. Repolyo. Pantongtong. Repolyo. Repolyo. Dako ng pick. Repolyo. Driving strong. Robo. Rebound. Dante. Dante for the rebound. 7. Akshay. Akshay. Chaco. Number 3. Jain. Jain to Chaco. Akshay. 24, Akshay, 23, ayaw niya, naku ng pick, pops up, where the 3, no good, rebound, by number 7, nice, Jain, no good, rebound by Dongdong, Repolyo, pinababa ang bola, Repolyo, Dongdong, layo mag-isa, bang! Alvarno by Asia, 10 points. 2-12 ang score po natin. Pops up, Dante, 2 points. Dante, 2 points. Okay. Bakay. Top on his knees right now. Ito na. Wala foul call.
Ball was number 9.
Jersey number 9.
Personal foul,
At
second
half,
impact.
number 9, go for the foul. Repolyo inbounding. Tonto, mag-stand dancing. Repolyo against Akshay. Akshay, Repolyo, Akshay. Naipit, de medalya, kick pass. Dong-dong, pops up. No good. Rebound by Akshay. No. Repolyo, medalya, soft pass. Wala pa rin. Dante, Jair. Wala. Nakuha. Sako. Thinking 3. Ayaw. Akshay. Mag-isa. Bam! 3 points, Akshay. Akshay, 3 points. Don't look now. A 5-point swing. Already been posted now by Team Alforno Italian Masters. 5 to nothing ng blast. Already made. Kamintuan. Medalya. Medalya. Power move. Wala bola. No foul. Foul! Foul call on Dom-Dom. Okay, palit-clear po tayo. Palit-clear po tayo. Change clear po tayo.
Ball was number 11.
Second match na, call out. Nandito si Kapo.
First ball.
Bakala, nandiyan na. Si Parico nandiyan din. Bontesto nandiyan na.
7-12.
Maninang nandiyan din. At the same time, si Mr. Hindi. Campo. Yan, Campo. Campo. Kapila ng focus, Bakay nandiyan, si number 8 nandiyan, 42. Hashim nandiyan, 26. At si Ricky. Hashim, Ricky. Ricky. Nagaan mapasang Ricky. 2 points. Easy 2 points. Easy 2 points by Ricky. Bakala, thinking 3. No good. Nice rebound. By number 8. Aksab. Akshashim. Wala. One more time. Hashim, even. Wala. Rebound. Nice one. Contesto. Manina. Wala. Lamipas Maninang. Ricky. Bakay. Soft touch. No good. Bakala. Contesto. No. Nice one by Parico. Ricky. Tayyib. Ricky. Hashim. Bakay. Nakalusot. Bakay. Hop. Foul. Foul called.
Ball was number 4. Campo.
Good Campo called for a foul. Bakay for the inbound. Inbound si Bakay.
Holding the ball by
Bakay. Nice one. Hashim. Tapos. Rebound Bakala. Contesto. 2 points. Okay, 9-16. 9-16 po ang score po natin ngayon. Labang po siya ng 7 points. Team Ayesha over Alforno. Bakay, side step move, no, it's Ricky, so pass, no good. Rebound, dalawa. Bakala, back from behind by Ricky. Again, Bakay, turn around. Nice one. Pivot move by Bakay. Shoot pa rin.
Who's fouled up?
Bakay.
Ball was number 4. Campo. Second
Jude
personal
Campo,
foul.
again back-to-back foul called on Jude Campo.
Third team foul.
Bakay.
Innocent Blends.
Bakay for the important free throw. Bakay, free throw po tayo.
Ball shot by Bakay.
Pops up. It's in. Free throw play. 12-16. Alforno still trailing by 4 points. Carico, Bondesto, pops up, no good. Rebound by Campo. Campo, naipit. Nakuha na Hashim ang bola. Hashim, alis Carico. Hashim, double team, triple team. 4-on-3 situation. Pops up, patal. No foul. Tayyip, no, it's a shot. Good point, Hashim. Stop it to the jam. And time of full time. Tayyip. Nice rally now by Ayesh, by Alaforno. Ending with a jam from Hashim. This is your PSB ko Basketball League. Ang league masikat. Ito po ang PSB ko Basketball League. We're live always po tayo sa Burning School International Zone. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po yung McDonald's Qatar MC Cargo, Jana's Gourmet, Jana Basketball Team, Luxury Shanty, Winners Apparel. Nandiyan po ang Buka Apparel, HVK, Sleepex TV, nandiyan po ang Sumisip sa Dukwe, Share sa Media, at last but not least po, nandiyan po sa Ironation. First game po tayo. Yan po ang nangyari po ngayon. First game, back to the ball game. Bondesto to Parico, binababa ang bola. Aldo Caris is watching. Dirk Rose is watching. Bakala nakalusot. Nope, it's Bondesto. Pops up. Wala. Naipit. Oh, traveling violation. Naipit. Naipit. Nice D by the blue shirts on over Bakala. Okay, balik tayo sa ating ball game. Hashim. One shot po, Oryx Basketball, sabi ni Barroso. Palpal. Pero may foul. Take two.
Number 17, Marty Parico.
Mike Caprico called for the foul. Hashim shooting for two. Hashim, first shot. Hashim, first free throw. Pops up.
Goes for Alex. Second row, Marty Goss.
Okay, Bakala for the rebound. Bakala, rebound. Inapat na ni Ricky. Ricky, Bakala, foul. Foul.
Ball push number 42, Lucas. First personal foul, third team foul, Albon.
Bondesto. Bakala, driving strong. Bakala. Maninang. Wala. Bukukot. Bukukot ko na Maninang. Hashim naman. Hashim. Good ball. Rebound by 26. Tayyip. Bakay. Wala. Rebound. Bakala. Takot yung bola. Again. Bakay. Pops up. Ayaw. Pops up. Bang! Bakay 2 points. 7-16. First lead not been tasted now by Alforno. After 1 minute and 1 minute 16 mark. Parico driving shot. Fadeaway shot. Wala. Rebound. Bakala and Bakala shooting for bonus free throw.
Ball push number 26, Tayyip. First personal foul.
Bakala bonus free throw for the bonus free throw. Pops up. No. Rebound battle. One by Ricky. Hashim. Bakay. Hashim. Nice one. Pops up number 8. No good. Rebound by Campo. And now, Bakala, kinuluwa, hindi po mukha. Foul! Manina called for the foul. Manina called for the foul. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. 45 seconds remaining. Ricky shooting for two. Ricky shooting for two. Pops up. Wala. Second shot by Ricky. Pops up. Wala pareho. Cold start by Ricky maybe. Parico. Pops up for two. No good. Contexto. Pasomo. Contexto saving the ball against Campo. Bakay rather. Bakay. Ricky. Ricky against Contexto. Taib. Nope. Nice one. Nice one. Parico. Parico. Contexto. 2 points. 2 points. 7 seconds remaining. Bakay. Bakay. Wala. Okay, that's it at the first quarter. You're watching right now the game between Alcorno and Asian Friends. Please note po, ang mananalo po dito will clinch the semi-final seat as rank number 1. Yan po, nakataya din po sa larong ito. With the defining sponsors. Yan po yan. And ito po, last one. Watching right now, Asian Friends and Alcorno. Back to the ball game. Dante for the inbound. Okay, back to the ball game for that. Dante, number 18 for the inbound. Dante, the mountain man. The man mountain, will say the tower power. Burj Khalifa, ito kasi Burj Khalifa ng Qatar. Dante, inbounding. 24. Dante. Dante. Swinging around. Akshay. Akshay Dante wants the ball very badly. Attack. Akshay. Dante. 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 Pops up. Nope. Rebound. No good. Contest. Dom-dom last. Same ball po tayo. Alcorno ball. Blue ball. Dante for 3. No good. Kaya na. Giga. Repolyo. Giga again. Repolyo. Repolyo. Pamintuan. Naulusot. Ayun. Medalya. Power. Medalya 2 points. 9:08 remaining. Second quarter action. No good. Rebound. Tondo. Pamintuan again. Pamintuan. Ginaba ang bola. Pamintuan. Repolyo. Pamintuan. Against the top. Pops up. No good. Rebound. Last touch. White shirts. Okay. It's final. White shirts. Last touch. Balik po sa Alcorno. Bola. Alcorno ball again. Alcorno ball. Buli po tayo. Alcorno ball. Okay. Chain. Chaco. Chaco. Chain again. Akshay. Chain. Pops up. Atap. Nice swing to Chaco. 2-point Chaco. Chaco, the knife man. Alam mo, pag Chaco kasi mag-isa sa chili. Chaco. Giga, kick out pass to Pamintuan. Again, Medalya. No good. Nice pass of Akshay. Akshay. Goal! Good ball, good ball. Dante, Akshay na yung mag-isa. One more time, Akshay! Naku, traveling again. Ouch. Ouch. Repolyo, pinaba ang bola. Second is watching also. Foul goal. Foul goal.
Number 78, Dante. First personal foul. First team foul on Gordon. Ball the ball, one
Dugtog.
ball.
Giga. Giga against Akshay. Giga. Giga. Pamituan against Dante. Giga. No. Repolyo. Repolyo. Repolyo pops up. Bothered. No good. Shot is bothered. No good. Again, Repolyo. Look, it's Akshay. Akshay. Binaba bola. Akshay. Tungkol second, sir. Second quarter na po tayo. Dungdong. Nagbangat ng bola. Repolyo. Repolyo again. Repolyo. Foul. Tungkol second quarter po tayo at 7:20 minutes 30 seconds remaining. Score po natin is 19-24.
Sunod mo ba, Akshay?
Repolyo shooting for 2. 19-21 score from 5-14 and 5 can be posted by Ayesha. Repolyo first shot. Next shot.
Second throw, Kenneth Repolyo.
Second throw. Kenneth Repolyo. Pops up. Out.
On corner ball.
Balik ulit po sa punong bola. Simonson is watching. Chris Animas is watching.
Walking the ball by Dante.
Dante inbounding. Jain, number 3. Jain. Nice one, Chaco. Uy! Sayang. Nice taken for Dante, but not ready. Repolyo, Repolyo again, Repolyo. Take pass, Pamituan, Pamituan. Pamituan. Side step move. Soft touch, wala. Rebound by Dante. Campo. No, it's Atsapo. Jain pops up. Malakas. Rebound. By Repolyo. 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 Lost the ball. Blue ball. Blue ball, blue ball, blue ball, blue ball. Sabi nila no, we have Ref Francis blue ball.
Akshay, first ball.
Akshay. Akshay again. Akshay. Chaco. No. Rebound! No, wala pa rin. Dante, 2 points. Dante, 2 points. Wow! The score is 21-25.
Simon Chaco.
Lamang pa po ng Apas ang Ayesha and friends.
Second team foul, Alberto.
Corno.
Walking the ball by
Giga.
the ball.
Giga. Giga.
And the shoot.
Giga. Giga driving. Giga driving. Ayun! Foul!
And this number 78.
Medalya facing the second foul of Dante. Medalya number 0 shooting for 2.
First ball by Rod Vidal.
Medalya first shot. Go.
Basket to left. Walking the ball by Dante. Drop shot.
Jain for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by Giga. Giga is Akshay. Giga, Akshay. Akshay, Giga. Pamintuan. Pamintuan. Ayun. Daipek pops up for 2. No good. No foul. No good. Change tempo tayo.
Initial bench ball. Winning ball by Martin Marico.
Wala, malakas. Foul. Foul.
Ball versus number 42, Nikas.
Okay. Manina, first shot good.
Nikas, second personal
Second
ball.
throw, Manina.
Running for penalty on Gordon.
Manina,
Second
second
ball
throw.
by Manila.
Pasok.
Step again.
Okay, balik ko dito sa wala-wala ko ng Malaysia. Ashim. Double team. Ashim. Again, tap. Marico, 2 points. 2 points, Marico. Okay. Kakay. Nice one! Naku, sayang. Okay, foul given by Maninang.
Ball versus number 25, Martin Manila.
Maninang, call for the foul. Again, Ricky.
First team foul. Ayesha Brands.
Ricky, first shot.
First ball by Vicky Aguesa.
Pops up. Okay. No good. Second shot, Ricky.
Second ball by Vicky Aguesa.
No good. No good, folks. Pops up. Ibarra. Wala pa rin. Achieve! Pareho, pops up, 52. No good. Bakay, naka-rebound. Asim na naman. Asim, attacking the ball. Attacking, back, boom. Nice on the team. Don't now, again, they're getting alive. 6 point na ba kailangan po muli po ng Ayesha Friends over Alcorno. Aaron Cruz watching again. Pareho. Pops up. No, ayaw. Contesto for 2. There. Nawala mo na. Walang pinasahan si Ibarra. Ashim. Pinapamabol ng Ashim. Ashim. Against Pareho. Ashim. Crossover move. Bakay for 3. Ayaw. Bakay. Nice one. Ricky. Wala pa rin. Ricky. Step away. Wow! Foul on Bondesto.
Ball versus number 21. Aguesa.
Inbounding Ricky.
Second team foul. Running the ball by Bakay.
Nasa Crisanto eh. Nice one ng Maninang. Oy, foul ball. Alforno. Bondesto shooting for 2.
First call by Modesto.
Tama, pagasin. Wala pa rin. Bondesto second shot. 2 points. Time out. Okay. Okay, hanap po muna po tayo. This is your PSBQ Bass Breakdown on the second season. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: McDonald's at MC Cargo, Janus Kuwait Tio, Janus Basketball Team, Lucky Vichanti, Venus Apparel. Nandiyan po ang Hukok Apparel, HB Cakes, Apex TV. Of course, nandiyan po ang Sumitsu Subdoke. And of course, nandiyan po ang Saigon. Nandiyan po ang malapan si Mr. Iowa Nation. Of course, sama na po natin dyan. Okay, taste the essence of Thailand, Vietnam, and Burmese cuisine, a bold seafood classic made at Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Bye tayo. Nansim again, Nansim. Mickey! Hello! Pariko, straight away. Oh, blue ball. Shoutout from India, sabi ni Kado. Oy, Kado, nasan ka? Kermit pa, meron pa, may nakuha, nahuli.
Almost number 77, Oliver Bacala.
Kado, ba't wala ka rito, Kado?
First personal foul.
Wala ka rito.
First call by DM Rigas.
Okay, Shin. Shin. Second shot na Shin.
Second call by
Pops up. Pasok pa rin.
27-34, official score.
27-34. Lamang pa rin po ng pito ang ISM Friends. Pa-shoutout po kay Murek. Sabi ni China Alcantara. Manina! Palpal! Bakay, Agis Parico. Bakay, Hashim. Bakay! Wala! Hashim, nakalibaw. Hashim. Drop the ball. 2 points sabi ito ba? Okay, good luck na lang sa championship poster na to. Sa PHBL. Hashim for 3! No! Bakay, nakalibaw. Bakay again. Bakay, setting up the pace. Bakay. Against Parico. Bakay. Binabati na bola. Ricky driving strong. 2 points to Ricky. Bakala. Wow. Bakala shooting for 2. Penalty situation, team Alforno. The score is 29-36. ISM Friends leading by 7 points. Bakala, second shot, jumper's ready. Pops up. Wala. Machine, driving strong. Foul of Manina.
Number 21, Randy Manina. Third personal foul.
Third personal foul, Manina.
Warning for penalty.
One for penalty for team ISM. Alforno using his last timeout. Next timeout, sorry. Okay, balik po tayo. Come to Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Taste essence of Thailand, Vietnamese, and Burmese cuisine, a bold street food classic made to delight at Tuk Tuk Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly po kami at meron pa kami vacant options. Nasa aming mga menu po yan. Open daily po kami. And of course, for reservations, just call the number 974-3079-988-8 and 9. Yan po ang Tuktok Saigon Restaurant. Balik muli po tayo sa ating nilaro po ngayon. 20 seconds remaining. 29-30 ang score po natin. Lamang po ang Ayesha and Friends. At yan, sino po si Ayesha? Yan po yung bata po doon, kasama po ang yung nanay. Yan po ang namesake po ng kanilang team. Yan si Ayesha. At kasama yung mga friends. Almost, pops up, wala, rebound, Modesto, kontesingan sa natin, Bakala, ay Baraw, tubo, wala, malakas, Bakala, rebound naman, Bakala, rebound, Chip, sayang. Okay, end of the second quarter, halftime po tayo. The score is 29-36, 7-point advantage being posted by Ayesha. The men in orange and white uniforms. May balik muli po tayo. This is your best Bigo Basketball League now on its second year. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Yan po, McDonald's at MC Cargo. Nandiyan po ang Black Louis-Shanty, Janice Manutin, Janice Kimitio, Winang Apparel. Nandiyan po si Hookah Apparel, HB Kicks, JPEX TV. Nandiyan din po si Lucio Mabicio Udukwe, Lucio Principal Udukwe. Nandiyan po si Sira Dizo Media at nandiyan po si I1 Nation. And of course, you're watching the first game for tonight between Ayesha and Malforno. Battle for first place po ito, an outright semi-finals berth. At maging po, mamaya po, ang maglalaro po na po is Janice Kumay versus Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Yan, for placing po yan. And of course, saan po natin po, Tuktok Saigon Restaurant. Saan po na video ng taste styles of Thailand, Vietnamese and Burmese cuisine. A bold street food classic made to try at Tuktok Saigon Restaurant. Kids friendly po kami at meron po mga vacant options. Meron po kami po niyan. Open po kami po daily. Just call the number 974-307-888 and 9. Yan po yung aming mga pagkain galing po sa Tuktok Saigon Restaurant. Halftime po tayo ngayon. Standby po tayo within 5 minutes. We will start the second half of PHP Basketball League. First game po tayo between Alforno and Ayesha and Friends. Ayesha Rockers going now to steal away first place in the outside finals, semifinals berth. And waiting po sila sa mga kalaban po nila sa quarter na mag-iba sila dahil sa quarter final. Okay, Perdito is watching. Michael Duyano Pernito. Khalid Ali is watching also. Jen Bautista is watching. Iowa Nation is watching also her. Good evening po sir, Iowa Nation. Kumusta po kayo dyan? Hoping you're here.
Obey the videos. Thank you so much. Unbearable.
Okay, second half start. Third quarter starts right now.
To all players and owners, the operating company will give us ice cream. Wow! Thank you so much.
Gelato. Gelato yan, gelato.
To all audience statement, they will chairs. They will give you ice cream from Alcoro. Once again, thank you so much, Alcoro. Back to the bogey for the third quarter.
Okay, Ibarra for the inbound.
Away Burns ball. Inbound to the ball by
Repolyo. Repolyo, binababa ang ball. Repolyo, ang bolang yun. Repolyo, pops up, difficult shot. Rebound, Baruang Beriki. Vicky, Sutante. Chaco. I think they have to get the pace now. Akshay. Akshay. Vicky again. Vicky. Dante sa ilalim. Oh, good. Hindi na kasi ng bola. Isang sa bola. Repolyo. No good. Rebound. Akshay. Akshay! Ito na tayo. Repolyo. Repolyo. Nakalusot. Repolyo. 2 points. Nice. Nice power play by Repolyo. Repolyo again. No good. Chaco. Akshay. Chaco. Power move. And block play. Don't look now. Alforno is trying to go back into the ball game. Chaco. Bonus free throw. Dom-dom lang muna para kay Pakala. Chaco. Pops up. Triple fake completed. Isa na lang. Isa na po kayo sa friend. Winkogun is watching, Edison is watching. Bakala against Chaco again. Chaco, paksa, palman! Panito for 3. Bang! Sabi mo ito, nandito pa ako. Big India Guard is watching. Hashim! Wala bola! Panito na ka 3. Back-to-back field goals by Pamintuan. Dinalag-ulit pa sa pito ang bola ang kalamangan ng Alphaesia. Dante, against kita, medalya. Nice one. Pamintuan, touchdown! Bye! Al Forno! Grabe, pre. 8 points plus. Ito natin plus. Ito natin plus, pare. Back-to-back. Back-to-back dito. Back-to-back dito. Kasi kami ni-drive ko yun. Okay, back to the ball game.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 11 seconds. Division score 37-46.
Back to the ball game tayo. Bowling pass. Keshi. Akshay for 3. Rebound! Rebound by Bakala. Nice D by Akshay. Nice D back shine. Nice D again by Dante. Partnership na. Medalya inbounding. Medalya calling the shot. Pops up. Go. Dante! What a jam by Dante. Ako yun. What a jam. Dante jam. Dante trying to wake up his teammates again. 39-46. Dante, against Bakala. Wala. Now this is Italia. Sweat away. Go. Bakala, hila. Akshay. Akshay. Foul.
There's number 12.
Jersey number 12.
First baseman from 7 ball. Yes, friends.
Akshay to Chaco. For 3. Nope. Over the back. Pasal! Medalya, binawi. 13-48. Namamilinig siya muli po ang Team Ayesha. Chaco. Akshay, pops up. No. Rebound. Up. Right, blue ball. Blue ball. Sabi nila. Blue ball. Ibarra, good play ni Ibarra. Okay. Balik mo po sa contesto. Okay. Dante, pinagpahinga muna. Para kay Mr. Bakay. For sure, Ricky now will go to the second position. Ashim. Nice one. Pass the pass. Chaco, 2 points. Dito naman, dito. Contesto. Repolyo for 3. Nope. Ricky. Akshay for 3. Nope. Repolyo. Contesto. Medalya. Bakala. Medalya no good. Rebound battle won by foul. Bakala, called for the foul.
Jersey number 77, Bakala.
Bakala called for the
7
foul.
third people, Elizabeth Friends.
Ayan, syempre, 13 pa lang po nila. Ashim.
Pass to Gas.
Joy guys is watching. Wow! Palpal. Nice palpal. Pamituan. Ginagana bola. Pamituan. Papunta ginagana bola. Pamituan. Foul! Foul.
Ball jersey number 24,
Jersey
Akshay.
number 24, Akshay goes for
Akshay,
foul.
third personal foul.
Akshay, third personal foul. 4 minutes and remaining third quarter action.
Substitution. Alvarado first team foul.
Okay, Parico, para kay Mr. Repolyo. 4 minutes kay Repolyo. Nice one. Nice steal.
Pass to Gas.
Back-to-back jam made by Alforno. Parico, pops up, Palpal. Stop.
That's a foul.
Okay, what's this? Okay. They're contesting for an ounce po. I think referee will just say normal foul only as for the referee. Okay, normal foul only. Not ounce po, but normal foul.
77 Bakala.
Bakala ko for a foul.
Personal foul. Running for penalty. Elizabeth Friends.
Warno penalty Asian
Running
friend.
for penalty. Elizabeth Friends.
Ashim, Akshay rather, Ashim, shake and pick, Ashim penetrating, no, it's Bakay, Akshay, Ricky, Achako, no good, rebound, nice D by Rotono, Akshay, Ashim, no good, Chaco delivering the necessary rebound from Alforno. Please take note po, only 5 points lead na lang po ang Ayesha. Pen situation po ang Ayesha Friends.
Penalty, Elizabeth Friends.
Chaco. First shot, Chaco. Pops up.
First throw
Is
by
it?
Chaco.
Nothing but net. Second throw by Chaco. Jumpers ready. Chaco, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. It's in. Both basket me. Time out. ASM friends. Okay, from the height of, say, 10 points or 9 points earlier, now again down to 3 points muli po tayo. 6-2 natin blast made by Team Alforno. 45-48 na score po natin at 3:19 remaining at ating third quarter action.
Stop.
Yan.
Start. Back to the referee.
Isa pa. Pareho. Pamintuan. Floater shot. Wala. Rebound by Bakay. Dante pinasok. Guys. Dante. Bakshay. Bakay na yung mag-isa. Papsak. No. Rebound. Chaco, defense. Dante, floater shot, no good. Bakay, press 14. Bakay, 2 points. Medalya. Deep road shot, me. Chaco, Hashim, Bakay for 3. Ayaw. Dante. 2 points. Contesto. No good. Rebound, Chaco. Akshay, Hashim. No, wala bola. Pinamit rin bola. Bakala. No, medalya. No. Rebound. Okay, naman na mula. Stage paper again. Marico. Block. Yaku, hali.
Ano din pala? Sarap.
Nice one. Ay, traveling. Don't look now. to the ball game. The score is 53 all. Oo nga, namali yan ah. Ano ang score? 53 all.
Once again, thank you so much, Antonio. Only 9 seconds. Remaining time.
9 seconds, third quarter.
Ayos yung friends, penalty. Penalty, ayos yung friends. Okay. Dahil na naman siya. Trigas. Takpan siya.
Chaco. Okay. They will know. Go.
Official score, Delta 53. Once again, thank you so much, my photo company. Delta Ice Cream, Ice Cream. We have flavor, mango, limon, lemon. Chocolate. Thank you, Alvaro, sa Ice Cream.
Ano yan, pre? Hindi, kaya matutunan na kasi yan. Yan ang Italian ice cream, tawagin sila. Ano yata nga, ice cream, pinapakain si player. Okay, back to the ball game. Fourth quarter action starts right now. Ricky, Chaco pops up, no! Rebound kay Bara. Pamintuan again, pamintuan. 50 all tayo. Giga. Giga 2 points. Giga 2 points. Chaco. Back high. Chaco. Akshay for 3. Ayaw. Lobo. Pamituan. No. Kalpan. Victory. Para 2 points. Pops up. Bang. 56-57 naman flip po ayos sa isa. Okay, thank you for Coliseum Doha. Oy! Thank you for Coliseum Doha for sponsoring the opportunity. Care of Coliseum Doha. Okay. That's Dulce de Oro Milk Ice Cream courtesy of Coliseum Doha. Okay. Got the ball. Pamituan. Giga. Against Ricky. Nakuha ni Chaco bola. Wow! Nice interception by Chaco.
First personal foul, first team foul. Yes, and friends.
Pera muna.
One by Antoine.
Okay, this ice cream, those who do our ice cream for to Coliseum Doha. Ito prices yun, ha? Manufactured by Coliseum Doha. Ricky 2.0. This game is also brought to you by Dolce Dior Ice Cream. Manufactured courtesy of Coliseum Doha. Bakay. Achieve. Okay, this ice cream is brought to you by Dolce D'Oro Ice Cream. Manufactured by, of course, Coliseum Doha. Ayan, ha? Masarap po yan pa. Vanilla, available in 3 flavors. Vanilla, chocolate, and of course, sama naman po mango flavor.
Once again, thank you so much, Alcohol Company, for giving us ice cream for the day. Thank you so much.
Okay, back to ball at 7 minutes 34 remaining. Starting fourth quarter action. 62-57, change of play na po tayo yun. A 5-point lead advantage now, courtesy of Alcorno basketball team. Or shall we say, the Italian Masters. Tayo yun. Repolyo. Diyan ko ng pick. Bakala. Repolyo. Foul! Hard. Nice foul.
Ball is number 42, Vigas.
Hashim called for the foul.
Vigas, one for foul.
4 personal foul. Hashim, 1 for Gladway.
Four personal foul.
Bakala. Ipara na yung mag-isa. Pops number 3. Bang! Akshay. Hashim. Hashim. Binata ng bola. Nope! Hashim! 2 points Hashim. Nice shot by John Hashim. Bakala na, Bakala. Hipet, Betalia. Papsak Ibarra. Nope.
Ball is number 7, second personal foul.
Parang nagbabalik si Eric.
Second team foul. Yes, and friends.
Parang reminiscence of Samboy Limiri.
Remaining time 6 minutes and 40 seconds.
The Skywalker.
This is going 60-64 for Wednesday for
Again, Hashim. Chaco, Pito. Pops up. Dope, it's Ricky. Ricky, hook shot, no good. One more time. Nakuha. Nakuha po ng bola. Medalya, pinabang bola. Turik. Repolyo. Bakala again. Bakangis, Bakay. Difficult shot. One more time. And one play game. Medalya, 2 points.
Ball is number 15.
Medalya, 2 points.
First personal foul. Second team foul.
Medalya, first shot. Bonus free throw by Medalya. Pops up. It's it. Okay, 6:19 remaining. 6:19 remaining. Out of bounds. Okay, chance again for Ayesa to rest back the lead. Medalya. Repolyo. Ibarra. Bakala. It's Pamintuan. No, it's Ibarra. Ibarra again. No. lead. Ibarra for 3. Yeah! The tank shot, the favorite fight. Ibarra pumapasok na. Binato ng bat.
Substitution.
Binato ng bata yata yung bote.
Punto one plus.
Ito na. Hashi for 3. Yeah! Binawi. Binawi na si Mong Pangalamangan. Hashi for 3 points. 5 minutes 14. 6 Medalya. Hop! Out of bounds. Akshay. Akshay. Akshay again.
Bakala.
Ibarra for 3. No. Lead pa medalya. Ibarra. Pass. Still completed. Okay. Bakala. Bakala. Foul.
Average number 7, Simon Chaco.
Matibay yan.
First recall, third recall, ang corner.
Okay, 13 pala po ng 6966. Lamang po ng tatlo pa rin po ang team Alporno. Pamituan. Against Medalya. 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 Bakala against Ricky. Stop. Okay. Again. Stop it in. Bakala. Skip away. Pamituan for 3. Go. Repolyo. Repolyo for 3. Bang! 2 points. Kalamangan. 3 minutes 34 remaining. Chaco. Ricky. Ricky na lima. Chaco. Akshay na yung mag-isa. Malakas. Chaco. 3 seconds violation. Said the referee. 3-second violation by the referee. Patikin. Pamituan again. Chance again to rest back the lead or take it tie. A tight ball game. Approaching the last 2 minutes mark. Defense. Ibarra for 3. Nope. Ayun na siya. Chance again. Bakala. Bakala. Nope. Achieve for 3. Nope. Small rep. That's Repolyo. Okay, Ricky for Timbang. Akshay. Akshay. Power goal. Akshay. Akshay. Chaco, 2 points. the lead. 75-69. At this point, Jana Smith versus USSW. Okay, 76 po tayo. Final score po na. Our score right there is 75-69. A minute and 56 remaining. If they want to win, and yes, you want to win this game, you have to do something fast. California will create now the first semifinal seat po sa ating ligang ito. With that po lang, nakalimutan ko pala si Sir Hero Bacos. Airbox. Airbox po.
1 minute and 56 seconds.
Okay, Ibarra for the inbound. Okay, Ibarra for the inbound. Ibarra inbounding. 6 points lead kalamangan po ng Alforno. Repolio against Akshay. Dako ng pick. Akshay, Repolio. No good. Rebound natin. Foul! And
Who's ball red? Foul is number 78, Kamini. Third personal foul.
okay.
1 for penalty.
Okay, 1 minute 46 remaining. 6 points po kalamangan po ng Alforno. Okay, bakay na wants to enforce some law in this team. Okay. Okay, bakala. Nice deep. Akshay. Chaco. Ang corner ng milking down the clock. Hashim, alis Manina. Hashim, pops number 3. Balak. Bam! Pamintuan ni Hashim. Pamintuan. Pass sa Pamintuan. Rebound. Okay, kulang po tayo. Chill on it, guys. Chill. Chill lang po tayo. Chill lang. It's only for fair play. Fair play tayo. Fair play. Chill lang po tayo. Chill. It's only fair play, guys. Fair play. Okay, fair play po tayo. Fair play.
Showdown.
Iron De La Cruz, nandiyan na rin. Okay. They will meet now what will happen to the verdict for sure between Akshay and Baka and Maninang. The score right is 78-69. Lamang po ng siyam muli ang Team Alforno at 1 minute 6 remaining. The winner of this ball game will clinch the first semi-final seat as ranked number 1. And for sure, Ayesina will fall down in the ranks with 2 losses.
Okay. Foul is number 25, Randy Manina. As technical foul, Randy Manina. Technical foul number 24, Sudut Kumar
Akshay
Akshay.
also go for a technical foul.
Randy Manina, foul down.
Randy Manina, 4-5 personal fouls, graduate.
Running for penalty.
Ayan siya, fresh one for penalty, 1 minute 6 remaining.
Rockets are
1769.
running for penalty. Akshay running for foul.
Akshay warning for foul out. 4 personal fouls warning for graduate. Maninang foul out.
Remaining time 1 minute and 6 seconds. 69-78 with the running ball of shot from Chaco.
Chaco, binabantayan ni Ibarra.
And the
Chaco, pusot, Ibarra. Foul! 57
ball
seconds
was number
remaining.
77. Bakala running for foul.
Bakala warning for Bakala 4 personal fouls warning for graduate. Chaco, first shot.
Chaco.
It's in.
Chaco.
Okay, ball back again. 11 points na. Okay, tight it. Safety basket na lang tayo.
To the vessel.
Contesto. No. Kulang.
35 seconds.
Kulaps na, kulaps. Chaco.
30 to shoot. 10. Still alive.
Ibarra.
For 3. 10. 5.
Okay, that's it. Take a seat now. Okay, congratulations and welcome to the semis, Team Alcorno. Congratulations, and before we go, a word from a sponsor, first of all, Tuktuk Sagong Restaurant. Sabi nila, time, taste, at essence of Thailand. Vietnamese and Burmese cuisine. A gold street to classic made to delight in Tuktuk Sagong Restaurant. Kid Crazy and Bedroom available. Open daily po kami dyan. Just call this number. Ito ba ang mga feed po namin, ating mga pagkain po namin. Courtesy of Tuktuk Sagong Restaurant. Of course, comment next boys, Janice Gumay and Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. You witness now the game. Congrats for Alcorno. And word from our sponsors. BSB United, the one sponsor. Ayun po. Congratulations Alcorno and maraming salamat sa inyo po. And God bless po sa inyo. Sa amin po tayo second game po between Qatar Sublimation and Janice.